Field Network, Sir Albert G. Kamay, and together with him is the Vice President of the same network. At the same time, a National Training Director. We have Sir Jonathan B. Espiritu, pero ito pa siya sa gawas, and importante international. A round of applause, please.
Province of Zamboanga del Norte, lead by Provincial Director Oliver Ombos. Thank you very much. And sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat. This will be a 1 hour and 30 minutes rule pag-cascade ng CPR. And then, subukan natin puntahan yung mga nangyayari dun sa opisina ninyo at sa bahay ng mga related emergencies. So, the objective of this activity, of this tawag ito, hindi naman to emergency orientation, is para bigyan kayo ng personal knowledge on handling emergency situation na ikaw lang yung nandun in a scenario. So, yun, in general, ang tawag nito ay first aid. So, ang certification na to, ang training is only part of the module I will be giving to you. We will be giving to you is the course entitled Emergency Care and CPR. It's a 4 to 6 hours depending po dun sa number of participants nagre-run. Usually, ginawa namin ito, ni-roll out namin ito sa TIA, Vietnam. Kung nakapunta kayo sa Vietnam, one of the exclusive resort to ng TIA. During our training there in Vietnam, we were required to undertake this training with our staff. So lahat po ng staff ng TIA resort ay nag-undergo ng emergency care and CPR. So ano ba yung importance ng activity na to? First of all, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo during emergency. Pangalawa, may pwede kang gawin dun sa loob ng bahay mo during emergency situation. And pangatlo, may pwede kang gawin dito sa opisina kung may mangyayari dun sa kasama mo, katabi mo. Diba? Part of your public service continuity plan, kung titingnan nyo, kung may PSCP na ba dito, ma'am? Ma'am siya? May public service continuity plan na ba kayo? So part of that, kung dadaanan nyo po yun, isa po akong trainer din doon, kung dadaanan nyo yun, part of the PSCP, yung continuity plan natin is to make sure yung 4 elements kasi ng PSCP is one is ang human resource, yung people, yung tao, kayo yung staff. So dapat alam nyo anong gagawin kung tatama yung mga na-identify yung mga hazards. So one of the hazards na meron dito sa Zamboanga del Norte is flooding. Pero ang common na nangyayari sa loob ng bahay natin, iwak. Diba? Paso. Anong gagawin natin? Anong ginagawa niyo sa paso? Let's have a common 3, at least 3 emergencies sa bahay ninyo. Na experience. Ano weakness niyo?
Burn.